Okay, you guys got to quit switching up on.
I literally did it because you said that yesterday, so I just thought it'd be funny, but I'll go back. Good morning, Your Honor. Ashley Londi Feltus for the people. Your Honor, at this time, the people would waive any conflict between this honorable court and the Office of the Public Defender. The people do not believe that a conflict exists, but we do make the waiver for the avoidance of all doubt.
You were over there hiding. I didn't even.
And right out the gate, the judge hits them with the classic stop twitching energy. If you've ever been in court, you know this is judge language for, don't push my patience today. Buckle up, this courtroom is about to go from calm to absolute chaos.
See, go ahead.
Good afternoon, or good morning. This is Public Defender Lord. Public Defender's Office likewise does not believe a conflict exists, but if one does, we also wait.
When the court, for its part, also does not believe there's conflict either in the Michigan court rules or the cases decided thereafter. To the extent that conflict does exist, given the waivers, the court will consent to hear the matters. Are they ready to come on? You called them. Try to get this one done. Court does call the case of the people versus Mohammed Day.
Ashley Feltus for the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate.
Big gun dog, nigga.
Mr. Deanne, please keep yourself quiet in courtroom.
You're fired. Conflict of interest. I'm a blood too. Can I get the fuck out of here now? She's fired. I would like to schedule for, get the fuck off my case. You're fired. You're fired. I'm not playing to shit. You're fired. With the ugly ass, dusty ass. So I'll represent myself. We can schedule for trial. When's your trial docket, please?
Well,
conflict of interest. She's ugly.
And here it comes, the meltdown begins. Notice how fast this defendant fires his attorney? This is what we call self-destructive legal speedrunning. Representing yourself in court is already a gamble, doing it while yelling profanity at the entire room? That's a whole new tier of disaster.
She got a dirty ass suit on.
Hang on.
Get the fuck off my case. Where your wig at? Where's your wig at? Where's your fucking wig at? Suck my dick. Let's go. Let's go, bitch. I'm out of here. Can you suck my dick right now? I only feel like you suck my dick or warrior dick.
Yes,
Mr. Dan.
Straight time, high roll.
Cases.
Thank you. Big red
Take him out.
Spread your booty cheek so me and my nigga put my dick in. That's why you got two cheeks, bitch. Fuck a bitch. Why you wonder why they call you bitch? I bet you. You got two booty cheeks, one for me and one for my nigga.
I apologize to the court.
Why? Did you have anything to do with that?
No, but I still apologize to the court.
Yeah, but no, you don't. Yeah. I
intend to reauthorize this felony as stated on the statement.
Yeah, so it's coming back to me.
Yes.
Thank you for the apology, Ms. Pate, but you really did.
This rant isn't just disrespectful, it's legally dangerous. Judges remember everything, and behavior like this stacks up when considering bond, sentencing, or future leniency. Also, can we talk about the courtroom staff's emotional strength here? Because staying calm through that requires Olympic-level patience.
I didn't need to apologize. I knew what I was going to be starting my date with. So that case is, if in case anybody didn't hear, the misdemeanor is dismissed. And so after that,
Judge, he has been very involved in that. Good communications with he and his family on this. I'm
not worried about his communications with his family. I'm more worried about the community and crimes being committed. You got 4 crimes here, right? You were on 2 probations?
No, I was on 1 probation.
For what?
For the resisting arrest and failure to.
And now we snap right back into professional court mode, like none of that chaos ever happened. This is the courtroom version of pretending your friend didn't just cause a scene at the restaurant. Watch how the judge shifts the focus from emotions to legal consequences, clean, controlled, and sharp.
That's 2 offenses.
So yes, sir.
He was serving 2 probations for 2 crimes all at the same time.
Okay. Yeah.
1, 2. 2 things. They don't package them together like that. Those are 2 separate offenses you're on probation for. Now you got
these 2 felonies. One of them is a second-degree felony that allegedly you committed. And when were you put on probation again?
Last June.
June 24? Yeah. So after he was on probation. So that's an issue. I mean, you have Well, yeah, well, that's enough to revoke your probation, or for the underlying offenses, but you just don't get treated on the new cases with bonds that are not answerable to the fact that you were on community supervision and court supervision for 2 other offenses when it's alleged that these are more serious offenses. All right. What's his bonds?
It was 5,000 for one and then 10,000 for the other.
I guess 5 for the state jail felony and 10.
So 0151.
151 and 152. Oh.
That's right. That's right.
Fate, anything to say? Or, I'm going to raise his bond. I'm doubling his bonds on each of these new cases. Sorry, but you were on probation. Court ordered probation and supervision when it is alleged that you committed these new offenses. And number one, on all bond conditions, don't commit an offense.
Mike, are the revocations and MTRP on distance?
Bond increase alert. And this isn't random. Judges raise bond when a defendant shows patterns of breaking rules, especially probation violations. Basically, you were already being supervised, and now you're accused of more charges? Yeah, we're raising the stakes. Textbook judicial reasoning.
Cases, or is there something else?
No, those 2 cases, not these cases, the 2 that he had was on with.
Yeah, but I mean, it's not like they didn't report or anything else of that nature.
Let me look.
I mean, if it's just these 2 cases.
What do you say?
I think we had probation for
Yeah, well,
2
it's straight. Well, she's saying
misdemeanors
4.
and then 2 new felonies.
That's what I understand.
Probation, so there's 2 MTRPs with 2 new misdemeanor cases.
He was on probation for a few months when it's alleged he commits these new offenses that the grand jury is just indicting. Well, he just can't sashay out of here without being answerable for.
Judge, he's been here every time.
That's criminal history, and just part of the equation.
Bond is to him promised to be here. And he's
Anything else you want to say? His bonds are, I'm going to treat him like I do everybody else. Like this. Your bonds are done. And you have to have a GPS device so we know where you are when you're committing crimes. But that's normal and customary.
Yes.
You do this for every one of them, but on my watch, you're going to go and you're on probation. I'm answerable to the people. I go, what the heck? We're supposed to have a safe community. You're on probation and then.
And that GPS monitor? That's not a punishment, it's a tool. Courts use it to manage risk without automatically detaining someone. Think of it like the judge saying, if you're going to be out, we're at least keeping eyes on you. Smart, controlled, and totally standard in cases with escalating behavior.
Now it's alleged you're committing more serious crimes.
Right.
So that's the order report. What's the next event? Put it for trial?
Yes, sir.
All right, it's 75. Giles, yes, Christopher, Broughton.
He's present.
What are we going to do?
Excuse me.
Yes.
That file looks like Trooper Priest did it. It is Priest. I'm just joking around. He is nothing but thorough. And type A personnel. And intrepid. You can probably hear me right now.
Yeah. Somebody can that'll probably